beautiful day. I sure am. Just wanted to remind you to please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to hit the bell for notifications. See you soon. Bye.
We're moving along with the ceiling. Some spots are a pain, some spots are not. We got these boards. They're kind of at ceiling height for the center, and we use them to prop it up. And then as we get it closed, I take my rubber mallet and then this piece of board, either one, and tap it over till it moves over into the groove. And then like right here, it don't want to go over, so it's either too high, too low, too something. So you just got to figure it out. And then it does start going. And after we get it in place, we take the brad nailer and nail up into the side of there. And we're putting like a power grab adhesive, a Loctite stuff, up on each one of these boards, so once it adheres, it should pretty much stay there, because these down the center, they're actually bolted up to the steel beams, so they should never come down. And we was going to put some brass screws in it. Now we're thinking we might not need them. We already bought them, 35 bucks, 270 screws, so
we can take them back.
Might have some brass screws left over. Okay, gotta get back to work. This is our ceiling going over. We got it done all the way from the front to the back. We could try to get one more piece up there, but the cupboards come out and cover all that up. You know, turn around here and let you look from the front. Here's what the front looks like, the way it curved down. We had to leave it off over by the door handle. And we're going to take a piece of 1/4 inch and kind of bend it up over it to finish that off. And we'll catch that later. But it all turned out pretty nice. It's our larch wood. I was able to special order 16 footers, so that made it pretty nice putting just long pieces in here. It's good evening to you, or good night to some people. I wish I was in bed or in my recliner. But time's getting short, we gotta keep moving because we got deadlines. This is my pattern that fits up in the wall. Actually, it goes up like this. And we're gonna have food storage containers in it. So right now I'm making my shelving or whatever, so I need 4 of these, so this comes out just like this, and then I put my pattern on there and I draw that on there. And then I've got a radial arm saw here, and so you find your angle, and this radial arm saw will come all the way out and cut the whole angle for you. So I'll go through all of these and cut that first angle right there, and then I'll go through and reset this angle and put it back, because this is my square edge, and then come back and cut this angle. But how this works is, say this just lines right up there with that edge, and that cuts that angle. And once I get all 4 of those cut, then I'll switch it and cut this angle. So that's kind of how I do it. I know a lot of people think there's no guard on this thing. Well, there hadn't been a guard on it for 30 years. And I still got everything. But I'm not telling you not to leave a guard on it, because unless you're real comfortable with everything and secure with your safety, then you need all those guards. I've just learned to do without them, and I couldn't even tell you. I think I have seen the guard, but I don't know where it is. But you know, just think of safety, because it's your fingers. I mean, I could lose a finger tomorrow and say, "Oh crap!" You know, now I got 4.5 fingers and 1 thumb. But let's hope it don't get there, because I got to get the cabinets done and up, because we're leaving in 2 weeks to the van build down in Parker, Arizona.
Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to hit the bell for notifications.